members, both home and abroad, both present at this session, at this AGM today, and those that are yet to come, that we are still expecting, and those that have taken permission to be absent from today's meeting. You are all welcome to the annual general meeting of Egbe Bobakunte Okunrin Akile Ijebu for the year 2021. In the first page of the brochure, you go to the first page of the brochure, that's page 1. The first item there is the morning section of the program. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí mo ṣe sọ, mo ní pẹ̀lú àṣẹ Ọlọ́run Ọba, pẹ̀lú àṣẹ ẹni tí ó jẹ́ bàbá ẹgbẹ́ gbogbo ẹgbẹ́ Akilẹ̀ Ìjẹ̀bú, Aláìlúwà Ọba Dr. Sikiru Káyọ̀dé Adétọ̀nà, the Awùjalẹ̀ and Paramount ruler of Ìjẹ̀bú land. Pẹ̀lú àṣẹ Gíwá ẹgbẹ́ Ọ̀túnba Gíwá Adésànyà Yusuf, Ọ̀túnba Bọ́bàṣèlú ti Ìjẹ̀bú, pẹ̀lú àṣẹ àwọn Gíwá in council, the Ọ̀tún Gíwá Ọ̀túnba Adégbóyèga Alátiṣe, the Ẹ̀ta Gíwá Kùntẹ́ Honorable Kẹ́mi Bánjọ, the board of trustees ti ẹgbẹ́ Bobakunte Okunrin Akile Ijebu, àwọn olóyè ẹgbẹ́, the honorary title holders, the executive members of ẹgbẹ́ Bobakunte Okunrin Akile Ijebu, àti gbogbo àwọn ọmọ ẹgbẹ́ lápapọ̀, à ń kíra wa pé a kú àbọ̀ sí ìpàdé ìparí ọdún tí a máa ń ṣe ní tó jẹ́ ti ẹgbẹ́ tí a máa ń ṣe.
Beneficent, the most gracious, we beseech thee this morning to be with us at the annual AGM meeting of Egbe Bobakunte Okunrin Akile Ijebu and the celebration of the 61 set for the Egbe. Oh Allah, you are the merciful God. Please kindly be with us. Let us have a smooth deliberation at this AGM and all other things we need to do today and beyond. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Inna anzalnahu fi laylatil qadr. Wa ma adraka ma laylatul qadr. Laylatul qadr khayrun min alfi shahr. Tanazzalul malaikatu war ruhu fiha bi'idhni rabbihim min kulli amr. Salamun hatta matla'il fajr. Wassalatu wassalamu ala khayril anbiya sayyidina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa ashabihi ajma'in. Subhana rabbika rabbil izzati amma yasifun. Wassalamu ala al-mursalin. Walhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.
Kamari kamayo falala, kamari kamayo falala, kamari kamayo falala. Àwa tẹ́ ń béèrè Bobakunte ó pé méjì o, Bobakunte ó pé méjì o. Àwa tẹ́ ń béèrè Bobakunte ó pé méjì o. Great hotel. Okay, thank you. Thank you. AGM of the Egbe was held in the morning of Saturday, 28th of December 2019, at the Conference Hotel of Ijebu-Ode. At the AGM witnessed the election of the new Iwani Council Executive Committee members on same day at the same time. the ESCO members elected and their respective offices are as listed. I don't want to waste our time. 1959 said Diamond Age celebration. The evening night of the AGM day at the same venue witnessed the colorful celebration of the attainment of the Diamond Age by the 1959 group. The event attracted dignitaries, including many of us, Balance or Tumbas, from far and within the Ijebu nation. Many other Regberegbe were duly represented at the all-night event. There was live music supplied by the Akwana Music Metro, Alhaji Musiliu Aruno Ishola. Meetings discussed coronavirus COVID-19 pandemic, which shook the world to its foundation, largely affected the activities of the Egbe in particular and human race in general. In the year 2020, however, before the outbreak of COVID-19, the Egbe met once in February 2020. The prevalence of the pandemic led the ESCO and the extended ESCO to meet again virtually within the year 2020 on 2 different occasions. Unfortunately, however, both meetings recorded very poor attendance as a result of poor networking. In the year 2021, the extended ESCO met twice in May and September, while one general meeting has also been held. It must be reported here that Giwa Egbe Otumba Adesoya Aliso, Boba Shilu of Ijebu, graciously hosted the Egbe general meeting, which was attended by a monumental number of members. The meeting witnessed the return of some members who had initially deserted the Egbe, while some observers at the meeting also signified their interest to join the Egbe. Ojudi Oba. The annual unifying ceremony for all Ijebu sons and daughters will not hold as planned in both year 2020 and 2021 due to the scourge of COVID-19 ravaging humanity. Despite the fact that the 2019 Ojudi Oba Committee has ably led by the Obalofin Egbe Boba Kote Okunakile Ijebu with the kind of Ogunjibi was well ready for the necessary as the attire was fully made, as well as a payment of commitment fee for various logistics made. The Secretariat is happy to report that the attire had been well preserved for use when the execution of the Ojudi Oba ceremony will be feasible. We have observed that some members are yet to pay their dues for the year 2020 and 2021. Even till date, we are seizing this opportunity to strongly appeal to such defaulting members to pay up without any further delay. As at 20 of 1 million naira on each of us. This is where we must reiterate the need for all members to continue praying, recognizing the fact that since there is time to come, then it is pertinent that there must be a time to go. It is on these premises that we report the law of our members. Moyewa Onokoya, Ege Onoko, Mutefemi Umade, Ege Makensi, Tariwale Kokoyi, Tariwale Village, and Taju Manufa. We are seizing this opportunity to remember them. Hence, let Paul write on the prayer for their departed soul in the next 1 minute. May their gentle soul rest in perfect peace. We are looking forward in coming up with a mini directory and a comprehensive register for the membership of EBE. With the mini directory, which is envisioned to translate into a comprehensive directory, we can reach one another at our fingertips for every human development. We may wish to invest in. We are also using this medium to call for the unflinching support of members to enable us deliver the document at projected time. From the record available to us, the numerical strength of the EBE as at today, 18th December 2021, stand at 187 as against 74 there in the year 2019. This signifies that the EBE has witnessed tremendous growth. The 2020-2021 AGM, in view of the distortions created in the social, political, and economic lives of the globe by the COVID-19 pandemic in the year 2020, the EBE could not hold the AGM for the year. However, here we are, by the special grace of God, holding yet another AGM for the year 2021. On age attainment in the year 2020. Hence, this year event of both the 1960 and 1961 sets, the Secretariat is wishing all the celebrants a beautiful celebration. Conclusion. The Secretariat the development of the EBE in the year to come. Thank you for listening.
Supposed to be the minutes of the last AGM, and said it has been long enough that I should clear before. So we stated that I said number.
And that is going to be Kiwa's keynote address.
Good. There are, before start on my speech, I would just like to say, let's take an observation. And the observation is a pertinent one, so that we can all note this when actions are taken over this observation. When we met at Ayekwe, that decision was made that the ticket for tonight to be given to members, I had my reservation. I wanted it to be given at this morning session because I know that most likely people will turn up to get the ticket. But for the AGM, they will turn up. Let's see what's going to happen at night. People are going to turn up at night. This all is going to be filled up. So what I'm saying is a pertinent observation is that during the Youth Gathering ceremony, I kind of insist that some of our items won't be distributed until people come to the pavilion. I just want us to note that this is one of the reasons I do that. That you come to the pavilion, then you get your item. But most times, when we try to make things easy for ourselves, in turn we make it difficult for us to run our program. So, in future, if we have items and we say you don't get from the money of the event, this is one of the reasons. Thank you. I might try to skip as much as I can and just move to the pertinent issues. Starting on existing protocol, I think if you can follow the address on page 43 of the brochure, page 43. And Baba Vita is a well-managed event whose leadership is accountable to its members. Under my watch as Viva event, your money is well managed, and for this I thank the Viva in Council and our financial managers for keying into my vision of quality and accountability. The General Secretary Alaji Alaga and the Assistant Okuma Ahmed Jafar have prepared the report of the activities of Secretariat for the last AGM today. The Financial Secretary and Treasurer have also prepared the income and expenditure of the year under review. And I'm glad to let you know that the Auditor General, the Auditor has gone through the books and given an all clear. Permit me before we proceed to touch on some salient matters that we have to deal with during the course of the years under review. 2019 AGM. The exact AGM and diamond celebration of our members born in 1959 was held on December 28, 2019 at the Obalopio Conference Hotel in Djibouti. At the AGM, we elected a new set of executives under prior agreement based on consensus, having realized that election can be very divisive and can very well damage the fabric of any organization. The arrangement we had in 2019 was the route we took in 2014, and I must say that the consensus arrangement has very good idea in good state, has helped us a great deal in maintaining our unity and cohesion. It is not very saying to say that in most cases, agreeing to a consensus arrangement for elected offices with everything term. In this wise, I would like to place on record my eternal gratitude and appreciation to the members of the Board of Trustees of our great event in supporting the consensus arrangement. Without their support, it would have been impossible to go through it. Also, I commend all members for agreeing and following through with the consensus arrangement. Having managed Baba Kute for 24 years now, I made bold to say that the consensus arrangement bodes well for us, and I crave indulgence for all to allow us to stick to it as an unwritten rule. 2019 Diamond Celebration of 1959 said, at the beginning of 2019, we agreed that at Panegbe, we need to celebrate our diamond age collectively. This was premised on the fact that clocking 60 years on earth is a big deal, and while some of us can celebrate lavishly, so also we have those who are not fully endowed or can't just be bothered. In appreciating the goodness of God in our lives, the program has the overwhelming support of our members, and we find it to coincide on the same day with the annual general meeting. In 1959 said, Obama said, who by virtue of being the president of Obama set the pace of the event we are having today. The chairman of the Diamond said 1959 organizing committee was Obama Adenga Kesiga. They provided us with great entertainment and gave us a blueprint to build on. Many thanks to Obama and Adenga Kesiga for his leadership and to all the members of the 1959 set. COVID-19 lockdown. Not long after we entered the year 2020, the COVID-19 which we all thought was happening in the past away land was declared a global pandemic. Soon after the declaration, most parts of the world, including Nigeria, was locked down. The attendant hardship to a wide majority of people was unprecedented, and the humanity was greatly tested. Baba Buke as an organization who looks after the welfare of members and a great supporter of charitable deeds, called on absent members to donate to a special fund tagged Buke COVID-19 Palliative Initiative. The response was overwhelming, and in the Baba Buke Kandu story, we rose very well to the occasion and was able to support our community in our own little way by reaching out as underlisted. 20,000 each to 51 members, 20,000 each to 9 widows of our deceased members, support over burial widows and single parents to the tune of 200,000, 125,000 worth of food items to 3 orphanage homes, 5,000 branded face masks distributed as follows across the Jebu land, and in addition to the above, we made it a point of duty to educate our members from time to time about following all the safety protocols for COVID-19. We also encourage all our members to get the COVID-19 vaccine. Just recently, we arranged through some of our members to bring the vaccination to our meeting for the sake of those who are not gone to the vaccine. As I speak, Baba Buke members are about 99% vaccine compliant. I join all of us not to get complacent in observing the safety protocols for COVID-19 as the pandemic is still very much with us. The few of us who are yet to be vaccinated will do so without delay. Kunte Cooperative Society. As part of our activities during our 20th anniversary, we are very considered the Kunte Cooperative Society with Balogun Egbe Otunbadeko Igadesori as chairman. Also, we injected fresh capital into it. However, it is disheartening to note that only one member has availed himself of the status of the cooperative society. The injected capital is just sitting in the bank. I'm using this medium to call on members to take advantage of this noble idea and avail themselves of the services of the Kunte Cooperative Society for such room. Going to the cooperative society is more honorable and dignifying than pursuing ourselves for handouts. Medical aid support. As part of our welfare approach, the well-being of every member matters to us. As a matter of fact, we take it seriously. In the past, members who are physically ill and need financial support always by themselves turn to individual members to help them out, or ask the leadership of the event to help them to receive. Sometimes, we do have more than one of such cases, and it makes it embarrassing going to the same people all the time. To make this more dignifying and easy for those seeking help and the helpers, we have since 2019 set a medical aid fund administered by the Jew and the welfare team, led by Taishe, Ebe, Alajikunje, and Koma Bimon. Whenever a member is critically ill, we visit him either at home or in the hospital and we render direct support towards his treatment. diagnostic, examination, and medication. To keep this fund rolling, we have just made it mandatory for new members to pay the sum of 50,000 naira as medical aid support as part of their membership fee. From the bottom of my heart, I thank Alhaji Goma Dion and his team for the passion and selflessness they put into carrying out this assignment. May God also look after them and not that concerns them. Insurance premium. Insurance premium. I'm very pleased to report to you that our life insurance policy is up to date and we are taking it very seriously. As agreed at our September meeting, we are working on the possibility of adding physical illness to our existing policy or having it as a separate cover. It is pertinent to know that payment for the insurance policy is always made upfront from the Egbes fund with a view that each member will pay back at the most by the time the bill of payment is being made. It will be recalled that due to the pandemic, 2020 and 2021 did not go. As a responsible event, we have made sure that we are up to date with our insurance policy. Members are expected to pay their annual dues, like social welfare insurance cover, all totaling 20,500 for 2021, and the 58,000 naira agreed upon at the beginning of 2020. However, it is regrettable that only a few of us have made this payment. The implication of non-payment is great. Firstly, it will be carried over to the Okinawa account, and non-payment of the Okinawa levy will result in the Egbe not renewing important insurance cover. We have had one or two cases recently, and some members were open up to tax for not getting insurance payments for the families of members who failed to pay and passed on. We should bear in mind that we also ourselves the duty to pay our dues, and that is the only way the Egbe functions optimally. If the Egbe continues to pay up for people who will not pay back, we will soon run out of money. If the Egbe continues to pay up for people who will not pay back, we will soon run out of money, not only for insurance cover payment, but for other things as we get to the running of the Egbe. I join us all to take payment of our dues as an all-important task. May God continue to bless us all. Transition. The Japanese writer Haruki Murakami posited that death is not the opposite of life, but a part of it. We all feel sad when we lose our loved ones, but as we all know, it's an inevitable end. In the course of the year under review, we lost 5 of our members, namely Muiwa Nokoya, Femi Ogwade, and Densi, Abayomi Kukoyi, like the time you did Magifa, and Adele Magideku. May God in His infinite mercy bless the souls of all the departed members and continue to comfort us and their loved ones. We miss them and will continue to pray for them. May God in His infinite mercy grant us the survivors fullness of life and longevity. The Yoruba Adeka says, "Ikuton Paul Ikuaini, Oko Ikuaini." In this way, I'm appealing to all of us to take care of our health by knowing our body very well and going for medical checkups from time to time. We need to check our blood pressure, diabetic condition, phosphate levels, eyes, glaucoma and cataract, kidney and liver function, etc. from time to time and seek full medical help the moment we notice anything not right. The event will continue to render support as much as we can to members that are prepared as your international chapter. The United Kingdom chapter and the Republic of Ireland chapter gave you like Ashibidiwa Alhaji Kazim Arunashola and Ashibidiwa Alhaji Ranwado Kutaya. Respectively, have both in no small way been a big part of the government their brand, helping to showcase the Demu culture and tradition in the diaspora. We appreciate their support and unflinching loyalty to the Egbe and its leadership. I invite them to keep up the good work and instill in their consciousness at all times that it's by the strength of numbers that the hands carry their praise. Giant Diamond Celebration, 1960 and 1961 said, "Àwa náà rèé Olúwa, àwa náà rèé Olúwa, àwa dúpẹ́ orí àtọdún, àwa dúpẹ́ orí àkóso oṣù, àwa náà rèé Olúwa." counting us among those who witness the Diamond Day.
Thank you, sir.
It is my fervent prayer that the good Lord will grant us the grace to celebrate many more years on earth in good shape and sound mind. Congratulations to all our Diamond celebrants. Today we are celebrating the Diamond Age of Quintet born in 1960 and 1961. And as such, what we are having is a joint celebration. Both groups are jointly packaged and delivered to us all the exciting and impressive programs we are enjoying today. The 1960 set under the co-chairs of Baltimore, Egbe Tumba Babilo Pailariba, and Akirogun Egbe Shegun Taiwo plugged the Diamond Age in 2020. But the disruptions of social activities due to COVID-19 truncated all plans for the event last year. The Egbe in its wisdom asked that the 1960 set to join the 1961 set who plugged Diamond this year to have a joint ceremony. The 1961 set has assured the Egbe Taiwo Adeniji and Balogun Egbe Otumba Adeboye Adeshoye as co-chairmen. A formal meeting was held between the co-chairmen of both groups and in the global interest spirit of brotherhood and love, we agreed to merge both groups to create a strong synergy. I would like to appreciate all the co-chairmen and members of the two committees for their time and dedication to the assignment. Importantly too, I would like to thank all those who paid the respective mandatory amounts and those who went beyond the limits in contributing to sums for the benefit of us all. I also would like to place on record the support of the members of our UK chapter and the Republic of Ireland chapter who all forwarded agreements for this event. Mention was also the made of our members in the US who supported us greatly. The work of a man can best be sung of his social work, that is, his contribution to the betterment of another person, without expecting any personal or material gain. May God, in His infinite mercy, continue to bless you all richly. Playing by the rules. Every game has rules. Life is a game that has its respective rules. Obey the rules when the game is relevant and evil. In play by game. If everyone are allowed to do their own thing, cheat, yell, deliberate, blackmail, insult, bully and intimidate others without a check, then life will descend into chaos and become an animal kingdom. Anything short of playing by the rules has consequences. Once we elect to be in an organization or a group, we should play by the rules. And the moment we cease playing by the rules, we either exit voluntarily or the organization, if what is sought, evicts us. I'm glad that as an event, we are eventually strong enough to say enough is enough. So it was painful and sad to say that the word of Master Amita Board of Trustees. The movement spirit behind this concept of applicants in brotherhood, selfless and communal mindset. The aforementioned attributes, as we all know, can only thrive best in an atmosphere devoid of conflict and hatred. I'm delighted that you are again and the chairman of the Board of Trustees to acknowledge the great role the DOT has played in support of my leadership and without such funding without report to the investor or calling on members to contribute. We will need to make monetary contributions in the event. The DOT without counting or any pressure always pays the larger share. The support to me as the doer event and the event in general has been tremendous and they deserve our accolades and thanks. Former President of the United States of America, in one of his speeches said, we all do better when we work to get the place of the A great civilization not come out of the south or it has destroyed itself from within. No force can stop us except we stop ourselves. Thank you and God bless.
Really, move the motion for the close of the AG. Thank you.
Who is seconding it? Okay, seconded by Mute Faleye Abayomi. Closing prayer. Àdúrà ìpamọ́ Babakunwa Gbénga Pẹ̀túgà kọ́wápẹ́ nádùúrà ìpamọ́.
as we move on, continue to guide us and help us to see the end of this year and go into another year rejoicing. And I commit our other things for today and to hand the way that you can take control and guide us. And at the end of the day, all command and adoration shall be unto you. In Jesus' name I pray.
Aago mẹ́sàn-án káàdé rẹ ní ìgbà tíkẹ́ẹ̀tì múdẹ́rẹ́ àti kìnìún kó rí mi o. Ẹni ẹni tí wà ní ìlú. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, ẹ̀jẹ̀ káyà fọ́tò nísàlẹ̀ o.
Famille,